Hello everyone, welcome to my video of how to monetize your YouTube channel, and also I am gonna show you how to apply for monetizations. Showing whole process of monetizations, I have divided into two main steps. The first step is how to be applicable to monetize your YouTube channels. So monetizers have to keep two very important in mind and focus on them. So I'm gonna show you this process. So YouTube monetization process. So the first one, we need 500 subscribers on YouTube channels, and the second one is 3000 hour watch time within 1 year. Or if you do not get this one, then we need 3 millions view from short YouTube channels. We have uploaded short YouTube video from where we can gain a view. So this is another option to get the monetization. And after within 19 days, this one we need to get after 90 days. And after getting this everything, we can become a membership of YouTube. And second one, we get super thanks comments option, and third one, we get shopping. From getting everything on YouTube, we get this type of option from the YouTube after monetization. Okay, let's come to next point. So now I'm gonna show you how to apply for the monetization. So I firstly open the Google. So I saw the YouTube studio and I will be pressed there. I open the YouTube studio from Chrome, and now I will come on, press on option. Then after you can show here apply. Now I have already get this one, so I need to press on apply now. So what type of facility you can see here, I'm getting this type of facility from here. So I just need to start it. Press on there, and you need to read this one, understandable thing, that one. So review best terms, so we need to read this thing, and then I will press on I accept the best term and press on accept terms. Then after it's review based term, and second one sign for its account. So if you do not have make this one, I have make another video, you can see from there and make a AdSense account. So I just link with this one. So I have an existing AdSense for YouTube AdSense account, so I press on there. I have existing AdSense account, so I will press there and I will press on continue. And this one is my ID, Subash kushwaha. Okay, I have get this publisher product, publisher ID, and so I will be continue with this one. I have already accepted the agreement, so I will press there and set up account. Okay, customer information. If you want to put name, you can put, otherwise if you do not want to put, then no need to worry about this one. So it's just for the credential criteria, so it's not necessary to put this one. City, color, postal code, 44 400, then after phone number, yeah, and press on submit. And Google Meet to verify your number. So I just text, I press on text message and send message. So we need to check message in your phone or mobile where message will be sent. So after this one, we can see here our access for the YouTube account has been ready. It is in progress. So it will be review. YouTube will be review and it will be finalized. Then it takes near about 1 to 3 days. So within 3 days, it will be a completed showing and they will be a show you. So you can see here after 3 days I get the mail from the YouTube creator. Yes, say congratulations, you have been accepted to the YouTube partner program. So I have accepted this one, and so this is a process to get this one. The simplest and easiest method, don't worry for this one. If you have any problem, then you can directly mail me. Just mail my email ID, or you can also contact with through my mobile number. So thank you for this one. Be continued with my video. Thank you for this one.